In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Miro templates. Whether you're tackling team projects, brainstorming ideas, or planning a new initiative, Miro templates can save you time and streamline your creative process. Let's dive in and get started. First, you need to navigate to the Miro board home. To do so, open your web browser and go to the Miro dashboard. You can easily access this by typing in the Miro URL or clicking on any saved bookmarks of the site you might have. Miro Board Home is essentially your starting point and serves as the hub for all your boards and resources. It's like the control center for your collaborative efforts, so it's a vital place to familiarize yourself with. Once you're on the Miro Board homepage, you should look for the Explore Templates button. It's usually located at the top of the page or in your menu options. Clicking on Explore Templates will open up a world of possibilities. Miro has a vast library of templates designed for various use cases, and this is where the magic truly begins. Templates can help facilitate meetings, manage projects, design workflows, and more, so exploring them is definitely worth your time. After clicking on Explore Templates, all the available templates will appear before you. You might notice categories such as brainstorming, mapping, project management, and beyond. It's important to take your time here and browse through the available options. Consider using the search bar if you're looking for something specific, like a particular industry-related template or a template with a specific structure that you need. This functionality is incredibly handy and can save you loads of time. With all these templates laid out, it's time to choose the one that suits the project you're working on. Within this library, select the template that aligns with your goals. This could be anything from an agile project management template to a simple brainstorming map. Selecting the right template can help structure your work and set the stage for effective collaboration. Finally, after you've found the perfect template, the next step is to click on Use. This action will deploy your chosen template onto a new board, making it ready for you and your team to start working with immediately. At this stage, feel free to customize the template to meet the unique needs of your project. Remember, templates serve as a starting framework and can be adapted as needed. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily open and utilize templates in Miro, setting yourself up for success on your next project. With these tools at your fingertips, you're well equipped to take on any collaborative challenge. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.